How to quote group health insurance in 2021. What every employer needs to know. This video was written and produced by Howard Deal, owner of the General Agency. Today we will show you how to get a quote on group health insurance and what is required. Remember, if you like this video, to hit the like and subscribe button. Quoting group health insurance for your business is a simple process. First, you will need to complete a census form. A census form tells the insurance company the demographics, nature of business, and location of your company. If you do not have a census form, we will put a link in the description below in both Excel and PDF format. Second, send the completed census form to the insurance company, agent, broker, or general agency. Third, receive your quotes. And last, determine which benefits best fit your employees' needs and price range. The census form must contain the name of your company, your company's location, or locations, your company's nature of business, and SIC code if known, employee's gender, date of birth, zip code, and dependents' date of births if they are enrolling any dependents. Once your census is complete, you have a few choices on where to send it. You can send it to the insurance company directly, an agent, an insurance broker, or general agency. We will explain each option, and you can decide which option is best for you. Sending your census to an insurance company directly is a good option if you are looking to get a quote from that specific insurance company. Most insurance companies have sales representatives that can provide you with a quote. Whether you send your census to the insurance company directly or through an agent or agency, the rates are the same. There is no financial incentive on going to an insurance company directly. Sending your census to an agent. An agent works directly for an insurance company and may be captive to a specific insurance company. In other words, you may only receive a quote for the insurance company the agent works for. When you send your census to an insurance broker, the broker represents you as a client and can quote multiple insurance companies with a single census. A broker can sort through all the quotes and make recommendations on a plan that best suits your company's needs. Additionally, the broker works for you. He or she has a vested interest in your company, and is an excellent resource when you need customer service. Keep in mind, your company can have a higher importance to a smaller brokerage firm, as you represent a larger portion of their business. Going through a general agent. A general agent works with multiple insurance brokers and can quote multiple markets. A general agent can often refer you to an experienced broker who works in your geographic area, and can provide you with an extra service layer when you need customer service. So, working with a broker that uses a general agency gives you 2 layers of customer service. The first layer is your broker, next is your general agency. Having these 2 extra layers of service does not increase the cost of your employee benefits. When you receive your proposals, there are 6 basic items to focus on. Major medical, prescription drug card, doctor office copayment, policy type, underwriting requirements, and premiums. The major medical part of the quote includes the deductible, coinsurance, and maximum out-of-pocket. Remember to pay close attention to the maximum out-of-pocket. The maximum out-of-pocket is the amount of money an employee and/or family members will be out of pocket in a calendar year. If you are interested in a group health plan that has a high out-of-pocket, you might want to consider adding a gap plan to eliminate part or all the out-of-pocket cost. For more information on this, see our video on gap plans. The prescription drug card. Some insurance policies have moved the prescription drug benefit into the major medical section of the policy to reduce premiums. This means an insured must meet their major medical deductible before they receive a benefit. Remember, HSA plans are always deductible first, except for wellness. Doctor office copayment. The doctor office copayment generally covers routine services performed in a doctor's office. However, some group health insurance policies only cover the visit itself, not services rendered in the doctor's office. Once again, if you are looking at an HSA policy, the deductible comes first, except for wellness. And remember, always refer to the plan summary of benefits for more information on specific coverages. Policy type. There are several policy types to choose from in the market today. The most common policy types are HMOs, PPOs, EPOs, and open access plans, to name a few. Visit our channel for more information on policy types. Underwriting requirements. What you need to know. Fully insured. Under the ACA or Affordable Care Act, fully insured group health plans have no medical underwriting requirements, which means they do not ask medical questions of your employees. Therefore, these plans are generally more expensive. These group health plans are commonly known as metallic plans, such as bronze, gold, silver, and platinum. Level funded or self-funded plans in most cases do require medical questions. Depending on the group size, they could ask full medical questions of each employee, generally going back 5 or 10 years. On larger groups, some insurance companies can ask simplified medical questions, or underwrite off of past loss ratios. The initial rates or street rates are generally more affordable than fully insured plans, however, the insurance companies can increase the premiums to offset medical conditions in your group. This is known as a medical load. Keep in mind, a level-funded plan, with a medical load, can still be more affordable than a fully insured plan since the rates are lower to begin with. Premiums. After receiving your proposals and determining which plan will best suit your employees, you can compare the rates from each insurance company and determine who is the most competitive. Remember, if your employees are making contributions to their coverage and family coverage, most of the premiums on your plan is payroll. The cost to the company can be minimal depending on the employee's contributions. For more information on the cost of benefits, see our video on how much group health insurance really cost. Ready to get started? You can download a census form from the link in the description below. We hope you have enjoyed this video and remember to hit the like and subscribe button.